Good day everyone. Today we will talk about the other police custom. Number one is visiting the sick. PNP members who are sick in the hospital, the residence or any of the confinement is visited by their immediate commanders or other available police officer of the unit in order that their needs are attended. This custom emphasizes compassion and solidarity. The act of visiting shows care, concern, and solidarity, which can boost the morale of the sick officer and make them feel valued and supported by their own unit. And number two is responsibility of leadership. Immediate commanders play a crucial role demonstrating leadership that goes beyond administrative duties, caring for the personal well-being of their subordinates. The number three, practical assistance. This visit helps identify and also address any material, medical, or even emotional needs of the sick member might have, ensuring timely support. Custom number two, survivor assistance to the heirs of deceased members. When PNP members die, a survivor officer is designated to render maximum assistance to their legitimate bereaved family until all benefits due shall have been received. It is a vital support system within the Philippine National Police, ensuring that families of deceased members receive a proper assistance and care. This also emphasizes comprehensive support, it meaning a maximum assistance indicates that the support is not just limited to paperwork, but also includes emotional, logistical, and perhaps legal helps, ensuring the family feels supported during difficult time and ensuring entitlements are received. The primary goal is to make sure that the bereaved family receives all the benefits, whether financial or otherwise, which is due to them. This shows PNP's commitment to honoring the service of their fallen members by safeguarding their families' welfare. Number three, visiting the religious leaders. The PNP officer visits religious leaders in their area of assignment to establish or maintain rapport and cooperation between the different religious leaders and the PNP. It is a proactive initiative by the Philippine National Police to foster strong, positive relationship with religious leader in their area of responsibility. Meaning, community engagement. By visiting religious leaders, PNP officers are engaging in a vital sector of the community that holds moral and spiritual influence over many people. This strengthen community ties and rapport building. The goal is to build or maintain good rapport, a relationship of mutual respect and trust. This can lead to more open communication and collaboration. And also, cooperation and support. Religious leaders can be key allies in promoting peace, moral values, and public cooperation. Their support can help the PNP to effectively implement community programs and resolve conflicts peacefully.
So next is athletics. All PNP members participate in physical fitness activities to ensure that the proper physical appearance and bearing are maintained with the waistline measurement always smaller than the size of his chest and conformity with the standard set forth by organization. So athletics, so isa daw sa PNP members dapat is physically fit always kasi may sineset sila na standard sa kanilang organizations na kailangan ang isang law enforcement is sakto ang kanilang katawan na physically fit sila. Sunod is happy hours. So usually on a Friday or any other day suitable for occasions, PNP members gather together at their PNP club for light-hearted jesting or airing of minor gripes. So isa rin sa kanila is ang happy hour. So sa mga PNP members is kada Friday is kada Friday is may ila suitable occasion. So isa mga PNP is nagtatapok-tapok sila kasama ang kanilang mga family para mag-gather or magsalo-salo. Busy sa kay so next day is busy na ulit. So every Friday ko nagset sila ng occasions para makapag-gather ang kanilang mga pamilya. So this is tradition. So traditions refers to the body of beliefs, stories, customs, and usage handed down from generation to with the effect of unwritten law. So isa ka sa traditions of law enforcement is may mga unwritten law, no, na regulate ang isang law enforcement. Yan yung spiritual belief. So some of these traditions are spiritual belief. So spiritual belief is the PNP members are traditionally religious and God-loving persons. They attend religious service together with the members of their family. So ang sa law enforcement ko, no, di lamang sila puro batas. So meron din silang spiritual belief. So kada linggo sisimba sila together with the family. So next is Baylor. Baylor history attests that the Filipino law enforcers have exemplified the traditions of the Baylor in defending the country aggressions and oppressions. They sacrifice their limbs for the sake of their country whom they pledge to serve. So isa rin sa tradisyon ng isa ka PNP is Baylor or katapangan. So sinasacrifice nila yung buhay nila para sa bayan. So sila rin nag-maintain ng peace and order. And ang isa ka na Baylor sila because they sacrifice themselves para iligtas ang ating bayan.
Number 2. Patriotism. The PNP members are traditionally patriotic by nature. They are manifest their love of country with a pledge of allegiance to the flag and vow to defend the Constitution. Ang isa ka police officer, ma'am, loyal gid yan siya sa iya bansa ug sa iya institution. Ug sa iya pagka police officer, ipaglaban gid nila ang ila bansa pati ang ila constitution. Number 2, ma'am, number 4 is discipline. Discipline, ma'am, dapat yaon gid ini sa isa ka police officer. Kay kun wala imo discipline, wala ayaw. Ang police officer is mosunod gid sa ila lawful orders sa ila organization o ila sabi mo una may moral guide para kuan dayon na kuan, tapos may legal na kuan pamaagi tanan para dili matawag na bias.
Word of honor. The PNP members' word is their bond. They stand by and commit to uphold it. Bali, gani ko ma'am sa word of honor. Bali, may isa ka membro kay ng PNP na yagpasabot sa ilang mga pulong na isa na kasabutan dapat na nila tutumanon, di na nila pag-utrohon ug maila pagsalig ug pagka matinud-anon. Og ang commitment na gituman dili na ito nila pag-utrohon. So next, duty. The PNP members have historically implemented themselves as dedicated public servants who perform their tasks with a deep sense of responsibility and self-sacrifice. Gani sab ko naman ang isa ka membro ng PNP gapakita sila og taas na responsibilidad sa komunidad na sakto pagkatrabaho, biskan agaw ang trabaho nila delikado, peligro, ila gyapon ginatuman para makuha nila ang responsibilidad sa batas. Yun lang po, ma'am.